नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. I am JVWU Dr. Lily Trivedi from JAYOTI VIDYAPEETH Women's University, and today I am going to take the lecture of BSCBED fourth semester, and the topic of today's session is air pollution. We are going to study the causes and the management practices and of air pollution. What is the effect of air pollution and how it is managed also. This course is for the paper Anatomy, Ecology and Evolution, Botany. Now let us start. What is air pollution? Now we say that air pollution is the condition of in which the quality of air is degraded due to the presence of harmful substances, particularly the particulate matter and the biological agent. Now, what is the I am going to share a PPT with you in this lecture. So this is the air pollution, the harmful substances, which can be in form of particles or biological agents. Now it also refers to liquid, solid and gases. Now they can be present in the normal air also, but here the concentration is so high that it is affecting the plant and as well the animal beings. Now, air pollutants include, what are air pollutants? Oxides of carbon, nitrogen and sulfur, halogenated and non-halogenated hydrocarbons, certain suspended inorganic particulate matters, inorganic and organic acids, insecticides, bacteria, viruses, so many other. Now, what is the cause of air pollution? The sources of air pollution. So when we see the sources, they are volcanoes from which ash, smoke, carbon dioxide, dust and other gases come. Land surfaces from where the sea salt sprays from the sea and ocean, dust and soil particles from ground surface. We also have extraterrestrial bodies as the pollution. Now what are those? Cosmic rays, particles, just they are produced due to bombardment of asteroid material, comets, etc. Even with Earth. Then from the green plants, we have the pollen grains as the polluting agent. So here you can see the pictures which are showing the air pollution. And this is how the cosmic ray shower is there. Now, man-made also air pollution is there that includes industries, automobiles, agriculture, power plants, domestic sources. So what are the pollutants from man-made sources? Industries, so smoke, fume, dust, particulate matter. From domestic sources, gases from the kitchen and domestic heating. Automobiles, they emit smoke, fume, emissions and from different vehicles. In the agriculture sector, the insecticide, pesticide and herbicides are responsible. From the power plants, we have the heat from the power plants, smoke and fly ash. We can also classify the air pollutants as primary and secondary. Now, what are primary? They are those which are directly emitted from the source, such as ash, smoke, dust, fumes, and so many other gases, radioactive compounds, etc. And the secondary pollutants are those that are formed in the atmosphere by chemical interaction among primary pollutant and normal atmospheric constituents like sulfur trioxide, nitrogen dioxide, ozone, etc. So this is, you can see the picture of air pollution. Here is the some of the graphs which is showing the emission. Then, as already said, the causes of air pollution. In agriculture, we have insecticide, fertilizers, ammonia, burning of fossil fuels, industrial smoke, where carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, they are there. The mills and the factories are found at every corner of the world and cause huge amount of harmful gases. Certain indoor activities are also responsible, like cleaning products of household activities, washing, painting. They also emit different kind of toxic chemicals in the air. Now, let's come to the effects of air pollution. The first most effect we are going to discuss is global warming. With increased temperature worldwide, with increase in sea levels and melting of ice from colder region and icebergs, displacement and loss of habitat also are the effects of global warming, and they signal impending disaster. So we should take measures for prevention and normalization. Second is acid rain. Acid rain is another effect of air pollution. So harmful gases of nitrogen oxides, sulfur oxides, they are released in the atmosphere. And when it rains, the water droplet combines with these air pollutants. They become acidic and fall on the ground. Now they cause, acid rain causes damage to human beings, crops and animals. Third is depletion of ozone layer. Now ozone layer is present in the Earth's stratosphere and responsible for protecting from ultraviolet rays. Now it is depleted due to the presence of chlorofluorocarbons, hydrochlorofluorocarbons in atmosphere. So when the ozone layer goes thin, the harmful UV rays come on the earth and cause skin and eye related problems, as well as they affect the crops. Fourth is cause of disease. So air pollution is also the cause of many respiratory diseases like heart attack, cancer, bronchitis, etc. So what are the measures which have to be taken? On personal level, individual level, there should be less driving, less flying, reducing a single person's carbon footprint. That is the amount of oxygen or carbon dioxide a person is responsible for releasing into atmosphere. On larger scale, the government should take measures for the limitations, like the one is Kyoto Protocol, that is agreement between the countries to cut back carbon dioxide emission. Another is to put tax on carbon emission of gasoline so that people will have greater incentive to conserve energy and pollute less. Now, in the present situation, due to COVID-19 lockdown, the effect of air pollution in present situation is ozone hole is repaired and the visibility is cleared. Rivers are crystal clear. Air pollution problem is solved to a great extent due to lockdown. But as the lockdown has opened, again the air pollution is there. So these are the references from which I have taken my work. So students, this digital session is over. I hope you have liked it. If you have any query, kindly comment in the comment section. I will resolve it soon. This session was powered by 2.0 digital version of JAYOTI VIDYAPEETH Women's University. Namaste.